cupcakes. To the mom.
Done?
Yes, then we can taste it. We put cheese on the oven to hot. Hot.
Mhm.
Hot. Okay, just need to stay out now, okay?
Asan na nilagay next?
Fine. Oh yeah,
What's next?
I'm going to get the box.
Ano sabi?
You need to get the box.
Mhm. What does it say?
It says it has 4.
For what?
4 eggs.
We only get 1 egg.
Okay, 1 egg.
No.
We now have 1 egg.
Not yet.
Look.
Yeah, but we have applesauce. We put applesauce lang. Dali, ilagay na natin sa ano. No, applesauce.
Apple.
Okay, lagay natin dito, oh. Mia, no. Kuha ka ng ano, yung ice cream scooper. Saan yun?